Australian market has now entered the last trading session for the week, in fact the month, and Grady Wulff is from Grafa. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ollie. That's right. The All Ords closed at 1.08% higher on Friday at 7,724.8 points as a rally for tech stocks boosted the key index into positive territory today. The tech rally today was driven by a number of big tech companies releasing quarterly activity reports today and on the back of a strong session for the Nasdaq overnight on Wall Street. For the week, the All Ords did lose 0.56% though. The ASX 200's biggest winners today were led by PointsBet, which rocketed 10.7% today. Nickel Mines jumped 7.3% and Zipco ended the day 7.1% higher. On the losing front though, Unibail, Rodamco, Westfield led the losses today, falling just under 4.5%. Domino's Pizza and ResMed also fell 4.1%.
And Grady, quarterly trading updates have been the big stories this week.
They have been indeed, and some big names released March quarterly activity and trading updates today, and those were PointsBet and Ramsay Healthcare. Investors piled into PointsBet, as I mentioned earlier, after the company outlined some key milestones that they achieved in the last 9 months and an increase of 54% in turnover for the March quarter, while investors sold out of Ramsay Healthcare shares today after the company announced net profit for the quarter had fallen 59% amid staff shortages and ongoing restrictions on elective surgery.
Ouch. What about commodities, Grady?
The commodities are kind of a mixed bag today, Ollie. Brent crude oil is up almost 1% today, trading at $108 and 40 cents a barrel, while the iron ore spot price is trading slightly lower at $151.19 a ton. The price of nickel is trading flat and gold is trading 0.5% higher today at $1,905 an ounce and 35 US cents.
How did the big four banks go?
All four banks rallied today, Ollie, with NAB posting the highest gain today of 1.3% at the session's end. CBA rose 0.6%, ANZ added 0.5% and Westpac lifted 1% today.
And what's the dollar buying?
The Aussie dollar is slightly stronger against most other currencies today, with one Aussie dollar buying 71.45 US cents, 93.35 Japanese yen, 56.81 British pence, and one Aussie dollar is buying one New Zealand dollar and 10 cents today.
And Grady, there's a food war between BBC and Italy.
Ollie, this is correct. A food writer for the BBC has shared a strange Hawaiian spaghetti recipe,
Yuck.
taking a modern twist on the family favourite Hawaiian pizza. Now, I wouldn't try this anytime soon, would you?
No. No way in the world. I think that this is not just a food war between the BBC and Italy. I think it's a food war between the BBC and the rest of the world, Grady. This sounds horrendous.
I agree. It sounds disgusting.
I'm just looking at this here. It's not just a Hawaiian pizza basically as a spaghetti, but we're talking about a tinned ham? Yuck. Who's putting that in their pasta?
Exactly. It's just a huge no from me.
Good on you, Grady. Have a great weekend.
Thank you so much. See you, Ollie.
Grady Wulff there from Grafa.